Ava is our new luxury blonde style. Ava is made from 100% virgin Remy human hair, which is the high quality that celebrities love. Ava is 16 inches long and she can be curled, straightened or blow dried with heat just like your own hair. Ava's colour is Chardonnay blonde with salon quality balayage of cool toned ash blonde and light beige blonde with a natural mouse dark root. The 13 by 5 inch lace front provides plenty of room to part your hair. And Ava's 150% density offers a volumized and full look. If you are looking for a luxurious new blonde style, Ava is the one for you.